Students, I'm going to introduce a new type of formatting, and I'm sure this is going to be a very powerful technique and it can be utilized in your data spreadsheets. So let me give in the data. So these are nothing but new titles. So the idea of the bookstore is that they're going to have a special type of price, I would say, pricing for the books. So what they're going to do is anything which is less than $5, the price would remain the same. And anything which is above $5, say for example, if they have a book which costs 7.89, they want to round it off to the nearest whole number, nearest value, nearest integer. So that is the policy of the bookstore. So let us see how we can design a format to implement their objective. So this is just an example. You can use your creativity to do accordingly. So to start off, I am going to give a condition. The condition is that, let me enter it here, anything less than $5, the price remains the same. And anything above, it will be rounded to the nearest whole number. So I think this is enough. So let me close the parenthesis. So this is the policy. So new titles, anything less than $5, the price remains the same. Anything above, it will be rounded. So let me start off with Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry, the pricing is, so before that, I would want to so I will just click on this and then I would go to this formatting and go to alignment, and I would select center across and click OK. So in this case I would be able to utilize these cells. Okay, now let me write down the headers, title and price, and then this is going to be the new pricing. So let me increase the font and then space them out. Okay, so the first one is Tom and Jerry, and the pricing is, let me give it as $4.98. And the second one is Mickey Mouse, Mickey and Donald. The price is 6.75 or 76. Number 3 is Enchanted. Say the price is $3.46. Number 4, Entangled. The price is $2.78. Number 5 is Donald's Adventures. The price is $7.65. And 6, Aristocrat or Aristocats. And what we're going to do is we are going to set the new pricing. Okay, so I will control and copy them, control C, okay, and then go here, and I will press Control Alt V. I will get this dialog box. So I want the values and their formats, so I'll just click there. So I get the all values and the formats, and now I'm going to select all these. Now you will find the change here. See, anything that is less than 5 remains same. Anything that is greater than 5, the values would become closest to the integer. Okay, so the books that will undergo change would be Mickey and Donald and Donald's Adventure, right? Because they are 7.65. and 6.76. So press Control and 1, you will get this, and then go to numbers, click on custom, and you can give a new rule. And we are going to give a new rule. So open the square parenthesis, the operator, and then anything that is less than 5, and then close the parenthesis, and then type 0.00, and then place semicolon and 0. So the meaning of this is anything that is less than 5 will remain as it is. Anything greater than 5 will be rounded off to the nearest whole number. So I'm going to click OK. So if you were to see anything less than 5, 498 stays as it is, 346 stays as it is, 278 stays as it is, and 245 stays as it is. But 7.65 is now changed to 8, and 6.76 is changed to 7. So this is the new pricing, and this can come in handy in many things, in many pricing modules. This particular formatting can come in handy to a greater extent. So in this case, what have we studied? In this case, we studied the custom formatting that allows us to retain numbers which are less than a certain boundary condition that we set in. And once that boundary condition is false, the number gets changed to the nearest whole number.